Hey, music artists. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to connecting with local artists in the heart of the Los Angeles music scene? Today, we're diving into some quick and easy ways to make those musical connections without breaking a sweat. First up, let's talk about visiting local music venues. Los Angeles is bursting with incredible spots like the Echo, the Mint, Hotel Cafe, and the Whiskey A Go-Go. Head to these places, soak in the live performances, and strike up a conversation. Who knows? You might just discover the next big thing in the LA music scene. Another fantastic way to uncover hidden gems is by attending open mic nights. Cafes and clubs like the Mint, Crave Cafe, Silver Lake Lounge, and El Cid, these events providing a platform for budding artists. It's not just about the music, it's a chance to network and collaborate with fellow music enthusiasts. Now let's talk about the digital age. Lucky for us, we were born in a world where social media connects us all. Follow local artists on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Dive into online music communities, comment, and compliment their work. For those looking to enhance their skills, consider taking music classes. World-class institutes like LACM and USC Thornton School of Music offer lessons and opportunities to meet fellow artists. It's not just about learning, it's about building connections in the world of music. Feeling generous? Volunteer at music events. Many festivals and concerts are on the lookout for helping hands. It's not only a chance to be part of the music community, but also an opportunity to interact with artists and organizers behind the scenes. Now let's talk about jam sessions. Join or organize one in parks, community centers, or even your own backyard. Invite friends, and who knows, you might end up with a musical evening filled with local talents. Last but not least, visit recording studios. Places like Zoom Recording Studio, the top music recording studio in LA, bring together professionals and aspiring artists. It's a hotspot for collaboration. So, connecting with local artists in Los Angeles, it's not as hard as it seems. Visit these places, be approachable, friendly, and genuinely interested in the music scene. So put on your favorite tunes and get out there.